how to create an account in kfriends app. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today we are gonna learn that how can you create an account in kfriends app. So let's get started on this process. Firstly, you'll have to open your kfriends app on your device. So simply you can install it from App Store or Play Store. So simply after there you'll have to open this app. Alright, so after you open the app, you'll got such interface. So from here, you can create or sign in with your account. Like here, you got two options. So as usual, you can go with your Facebook account, or as usual, you can go through your Google account. So right now, I'm choosing the Google. Okay, so from here, you'll have to choose your nationality. So I'm choosing the UK. So it is requiring confirmations that is your country correct. So I will tap a yes on it. Okay, so from here you'll have to select your language. So I will choose English. Alright, so from here you'll have to choose your language level. So I will choose this one from here and tap on the confirm. And now from here you'll have to tap on next just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. Alright, so after on this section you'll have to enter the information to create an account. So in the first you'll have to give your profile picture. So you can upload your profile picture by tapping on it. So I will choose this one from here. Okay, alright, so on the another you will have to give your nickname. So I will be give nickname like 004. And now on this date of birth you will have to provide your date of birth. So I have chosen this from here. And now on the another you will have to select your gender type. So simply select the one and tap on the next button just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. And now from here you'll have to confirm that your gender and date of birth is correct. So simply from you'll have to tap on this right. Okay, so from here you'll have to select a key of interest. So like I will choose TikTok, shopping, Netflix, or something drive TV. So next. And now from here again you will have to set your preference. So from here I will choose like this. Okay, so after that you will have to tap on next. And now from here you will have to write one line for the simple introduction of yourself. Okay, so after you type this you'll have to tap on next. And now from here you will get options like invoice shall we start introduce you. So I can skip from here. So tap on the skip and start. Alright, so we have successfully created account in kfriends app. So I will tap skip from here. Okay, so as you can see I have successfully created a account in kfriends app. So likewise you can also create. So if this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.